Alright folks, the Hammerman Duke with you again. We're going to change out the right side air filter on this F-Pace Jaguar. And all you need to do is just take this connector off, pull that lock out, press it like that, pull it off. I'm going to take a flat blade screwdriver and undo that. I already unscrewed it. That'll pop right off of there like that. You're going to take out 7 of these T20 torques that hold the housing in place, and it just comes right up out of there. There you go. Come on up out of there. Alright, that's how it. Tighten that back up, put your sensor back on there, and tighten your torques up, and you'll be done. Another 3,000, 4,000 miles, 10,000 miles, whatever is suggested. Alright, just the Hammerman Duke. I'm gonna get back quiet with you.